Yeah, today is the 2nd of August, and it is hot. We've got a high temp predicted of 105 degrees here in northeast Texas, and that's just insane. Anyway, I got the safe moved yesterday. No damage to the safe, or the marble floors, or the carpet. The safe company did just a real nice job. They liked the safe. They said they did a nice job on the restoration, and they think it could be a Mosler safe. There are no markings anywhere we looked, and I described the tumbler system to them. Of course, I didn't take the panel off. And they said, well, it sounds like a Mosler, but from that era, all the safes were the same, but different, if that makes any sense. Wife likes it here. She hated it before I restored it, and it was butt ugly. I'll be the first one to admit that. And offset it from the wall a bit to make it easier to clean behind and get to that electrical outlet. And I set it on Teflon pads, and that stuff was crazy expensive, in case either from mop water, or we leave a window or door open and rain comes in and gets the floor wet. I didn't want these cast iron casters to rust and stain the marble floor. So that's the purpose of those. Typical stuff going into it: car titles, important documents. The safe guy said it should be good for at least 2 hours of high intensity fire before the contents starts to be compromised. So got the antique safe right beside my antique oak desk. Cool. Another project I forgot about is I've got a German cuckoo clock, and it started keeping inaccurate time. So I just stopped the pendulum, and usually when it does that, it needs a serious cleaning. So between me and YouTube, I think I can figure out how to clean a cuckoo clock. So might do that. A new vented hood came in the other day. Unboxed it, tested everything, and I've got my electrician buddy's going to come down and give me a hand removing the old one, installing the new one, and I believe that's going to be done next week on Tuesday. I think might be Monday. I got it wrote down. Get that taken care of. My sanding discs I ordered from Amazon 2.5 weeks ago finally came in yesterday. They actually lost the first order. This is the replacement order. Now that I don't need them, I have them. I'll use them again for something else sooner or later. But yeah, this heat is just, it's killer heat. It's going to be 102 up to 105 the next 5 days. 5 days after that, same. And in approximately 12 days, it's going to drop down to the low 90s to high 80s. There's a front supposed to be coming down this way. We'll hope. And if we can get past August into, well, September is going to be hot too because it's La Nina. If we can get into October, we'll finally get a break from this heat. This is the invoice for moving the safe. $363 and some change. Sounds like a lot. They said the safe weighs more than 800 pounds. And of course they had all the specialized equipment too. I know it's heavy. I know that son of a gun is heavy. I just never estimated it to be over 800 pounds, but they said it is probably closer to 900. So, getting ready to stir around, and you go up in the little building. I got smart and I left the air conditioner going yesterday when I left. So it'll be cool in there today. It wasn't terrible when I went up there, but it was hot. It was over 100 when we started moving the safe. And I say we, I had to help them a little bit. Happy to do it. You know, not want to just sit around and watch. So I got stirring around and post this and go do my thing. That's all for this one. Thank you.